I would like as many of you as possible to strive for literacy and fluency in your reading. And it's because I've gone through thousands of these, but you want to start to take every little detail that stands out to you to string a story together. So grounds maintenance services, Conant, Brook Dam, Monson, Massachusetts. Due on the 11th, small business set aside, 561730 landscaping services, because grounds maintenance, why not? 8.5 acres, bi-weekly maintenance areas, and 6.3 acres of annual mowing areas. So it's like 8.5 minus 6.3 is going to be kind of that, what is it, 2.2 difference that's going to be needing the more ongoing work, it sounds like. All good? Thank you guys. Thanks for letting me know. And then it looks like we just have a solicitation doc and an amendment. Pretty straightforward stuff. Jennifer Samela, USACE, Army Corps, of course. Army Corps. So, and then they had a pre-sol that kicked off March 13th. And then this kicked into a full live bid just last week. So typical standard SF 1449 form we are met with. Instructions to vendors. There we go. It's going to be a straight RFQ. Basis on which award will be made is price alone. So they're going lowest price. Here you go. They're making your life so easy. Previous contract was awarded to Brown Point Facility Management Solutions for $49,275. Can you beat it? Let's see if they have a bid schedule to fill out. And indeed, they do. So this is what we were talking about with, and I haven't, you saw me, I haven't seen these. So I would like as many of you as possible to strive for literacy and fluency in your reading. And it's because I've gone through thousands of these, but you want to start to take every little detail that stands out to you to string a story together. So this 8.5 acres and the 6.3 acres that we just spoke about, now we're going to use that because they said the 6.3 is annual mowing areas. And then now we're seeing quantity 1 each for annual field mowing and then side arm rotary mowing. Other than that, it's just going to be bi-weekly mowing for those 2.2 additional acres. And that's for the base schedule, base period. Option year 1. 2. Option year 2. I was going to start getting a little worried. So this is a 3-year contract. Base plus 2. And this company's been doing it. Brown Point Facility, could be any one of you guys, for about 50 grand for 3 years. So it's a little over 15 grand per year. So can you mow 2.2 acres a year and then bi-weekly, and then the other 6 whatever acres once a year? Can you do that for less than 15 grand per year? I mean, God, I grew up on 10 acres. I grew up on 10 acres. We had to mow that stuff like every week. So no one paid me 15 grand to do that. Granted, we had like a 0-turn and a 4-wheeler with the mower deck that was like I don't know. It was probably at least a 48-inch mower deck with 3 blades that we pulled behind the 700cc four-wheeler. And that was a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun doing that growing up. It's cutting grass. Granted, 10 acres. We didn't mow all of it. Halfway through, there was a pond. And then we kind of let the back half grow vegetation. We got a lot of deer. Like it was really nice. So more realistically, like 5. But it was every week, and they're asking for biweekly. So I think we're fair. I think we're squared away on that. PWS can be pretty straightforward. Monson, Massachusetts. I mean, we can plug that in. Is this the thing? Is this what we're looking at? Is this is it the actual reservoir? It's not saying. Yeah, so just kind of generally in that area. Yeah, just looking for the specific address here. See if we can't pull it up. And good morning to everybody who's jumping in. We are hanging out, taking a little bit to go through some bids, start light, start soft. If you have questions, feel free to drop those down below. And we are currently looking at a grounds maintenance contract in Monson, Massachusetts for about $50K. Good morning, Lala. It's hanging out with us this morning. So anyways, we're probably not too far off on that. But they're giving us the mowing requirements for the biweekly mowing. Pretty straightforward stuff that you share with your teaming partner. Reps and certs. And that's about it. As I said, guys, it's price only. And then we just had, oh, I'm sorry. I said amendments earlier. I meant attachments. So maybe a map or something. Living in Richmond, Virginia with Charisse. I recognize that name. Good to see you. It's been a while for all of us, especially me. We are just chilling and doing a bit of a warm up. But yeah, we were correct. We have the maps, Army Corps maps, Constant Brook Dam. So that's what we would have searched. Conant Brook Dam maps. Looks like a beautiful area. Does anybody know this area? Monson, Massachusetts, Conant Brook Dam. I mean, I guess we don't have too much to go off of. It looks like you'd be mowing on a slope there. Looks like a lot of fun. But yeah, not too much to unpack on this particular SAM.gov bid.